What? You need more what? What is that called? What's that called? Are you licking it from the spatula? I think you have a little bit on your nose. Look at, no, don't do that to it. Look at from the back, there's still a lot on there. Look, turn it over. Look all of that. What's it called? Pudding.
I need more. I need more, Mama. I need more, Mama. Need more.
You're trying to give me this? Well, buddy, now that you've licked this, I can't put it back into the banana pudding.
I need more.